Hello everyone, on this video let's see how we can set up the limit alarm function block. This function block is available through the util library. Let's go back on our user PRD and I'm gonna add a new empty box here, and let's assign to this box the limit alarm function block. I'm gonna create a variable for this function block. Okay, so let's use the same variable we used for the hysteresis function block, which is the pressure sensor. So I'm gonna copy the pressure sensor and paste it on the in parameter. Our high limit is gonna be 100 and the low limit is gonna be 20. Okay, so now let's erase the interrogation marks for the outputs. So basically how this function block works is pretty simple. When you have your input and it's lower than your low limit, the output U stands for under, so it's under limit, is going to be true. It's a bool variable. When your input is higher than your high limit, so your output called O stands for over, so over limit is going to be true. And when your input is in between your high and your low limit, so your variable called IL is going to be true. So meaning that's no alarm. So you can use this status to show in an HMI or in a SCADA, for example. Okay, let's log in with download here. Okay, so now when I start my program, you see that my pressure sensor is 0 and 0 is lower than 20. So my U output is going to be true, meaning that it's under limit, so it's the low limit. If my input is in between the low and the high limit, like let's say it is 50, so my IL, which is probably in limit, it's a normal value. And when your input is higher than your high limit, let's say 110, so your O output is going to be true. So now I can use these variables O and U and create some alarm on my HMI or my SCADA